Hi, today we are seeing in this video the one stock is giving returns is more in during 3 years period. The stock name is the metals and Ankit metals and power. Ankit metals and power in during 3 years period is giving returns is big returns giving that stock is giving for the 2230 plus 7% returns giving. Is that share in 3 years before that share price is the 40 paisa. 40 paisa to buying for the 30,000 shares your investment for the 12,000 rupees invested in 3 years before 12,000 rupees on Ankit metals and power stocks. Now it becomes for the present share price. Present Ankit metals and power share price is 9 rupees 30 paisa, 9 rupees 35 paisa, 9 rupees 35 paisa to your multiplying for the 30,000 shares. It becomes for the 2,80,500 rupees. You invested in 3 years before 12,000 rupees. Now it becomes for the 2,80,500 rupees. This is the power of the stock market. You are getting the after 3 years you are getting for the returns for that 22 times is 22 times returns is getting your invested money in. Your money is compounded in during 3 years period 22 times. So that is so every stock so many of stocks giving for the same returns. These stock returns like at least minimum 50 to 100% returns definitely giving 100% of the stocks, 70% of the stocks, 100 70% of the stocks definitely 50 to 70%, 50 to 100% returns giving in remaining 10 to 20% of stocks giving performing well and well big giving for the big returns. But you have to research that stocks which is that stocks is giving returns. Here you have to getting for the big returns. That is the depending upon the patience. You have to wait for the patience. You have to wait for the patience. You have to hold for that long time like 5 years, at least 2 to 5 years you are holding for that stocks. At least minimum you have to hold for the 1 year also. You have to hold for the, otherwise you are not getting for the returns in from the stock market. To get for the big returns you have to wait for to hold for the long time like 5 years, at least 5 years, 2 to 5 years, 2 to not 5 years, 3 to 5 years you have to hold for the stocks. That is the important. And so hold for the long time, for the long time and get for the big returns. Here so this is the power of the stock market. And you also how to you also you want to also invest in the share market. How you have and go for the invest research for the stocks and research for the stocks. Go for the screener website. There is research what budget of the stocks, what budget of the stocks you want. There is there search and you want 100 rupees stocks and you want for the 10 rupees stocks. You go and research for the screener website 10 rupees stocks, Indian 10 rupees stocks and search for that. There is screener website is this then the screener website is showing for that stocks. And go search for that stocks which is that stock is performing well and invest on for that stocks. So this is the researching method of the stocks. So this is the way. And in front of video, and I already posted for the so many videos that all videos is giving for the 5 to 10 times and 10 to 30 times returns giving returns giving returns stocks. I already posted on video, so you also go and watch. That is you now now when you know for that you are also making money from the stock markets. So this is the way of the stock market is similar to business. Business is to day by day giving for our day by day giving the returns. And one day it becomes the giving. One is developing your when is developing your business. The returns is giving for the big returns is giving. So same thing in here also. Same thing in here stock market also. Your business is growing like that same. Your stock is also growing. Big returns is future become bigger. Your stock profit your dividends is giving for the big returns. So your stocking is growing more and more and high prices like 200 rupees to 200 rupees is going. Next 400 rupees for the next 400 rupees becomes 18%. So this is the way of the stock market. You are invested in the 10 lakh rupees. You are holding for the stocks in next 10 years. That is becomes for the almost for the crossing for the 50 crore rupees. How you, because every year is compounding for the two times is compounding for the stocks like 10 lakh first year becomes 10 lakh becomes the 20 lakh becomes the 40 lakh becomes the 80 lakhs becomes the 1 crore 60 lakhs 1 crore 60 lakh becomes the 1 crore 60 lakh becomes the 3 crore 20 lakh 3 crore 20 lakh becomes the 3 crore 20 lakh becomes 6 crore 40 lakh. Just in 6 years becomes just in 6 years becomes for the 6 crore 40 lakh rupees is reaching. But some of but every year 20% is 25% is every year 25% is the losses for every stocks. So that's why it becomes reaching for the 6 crores. At least you are getting for the 4 to 5 crore rupees differently in 10 years. So that's why to invest on the monthly small portion of investment on the penny stocks and get big returns, because that you depend upon your budget. What type of your budget, how much budget you have, that type of budget stocks find and research and invest on that stocks and get big returns. So this is the share market. And you have any doubt and how to create for the demat account, how to buy for the shares, you have any doubt, do in comment. I will try to clear doubt. I will clear your doubt, and I will do next video how to share, how to buy for the shares and how to create for the demat account, which is the better for the better for app, which is the user experience is easy for that app. So I will explain for everything. So that's it. And in front of videos are the more stocks giving more returns giving stocks about videos are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this one. And thank you for watching this video. That's it.